We'll guide you through how to install Dark Reader in Zen Browser. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start from the desktop of your computer and locate the Zen Browser icon before continuing with the tutorial. Press Zen Browser, and after a moment you will see the browser pop up on your screen and fully load. After the browser pops up, take a look at the top search bar and type Firefox add-ons to begin searching for extensions. After typing, you will see several results appear on the page. Press the first result called Add-ons for Firefox so you can open the official extension website. The add-ons website will now open in your browser window. Navigate through the top right corner of the screen, where you will see the Find Add-ons search bar available for searching. Click the search bar and type Dark Reader carefully before starting the search. The result of the search will show you a bunch of add-ons, so be careful to pick the correct one. Choose the Dark Reader extension that has the recommended tag and is made by Dark Reader Limited. After clicking it, a detailed explanation about the extension and several screenshots will open on the page for you to review. Hover your cursor to the blue square button that says Add to Firefox. Press the button, and you will see a pop-up saying Add Reader. Press Add so the extension will be added to your browser extensions list. If you want to check whether the add-in is working, navigate to the top right of the screen near the Minimize icon. Click the three-dot icon to open more options. A drop-down list of options will appear there, and you should press Extensions and Themes. Scroll down if needed, and take a look at the Dark Reader add. To check it properly, turn the button off and then turn it back on again. The button should turn blue, which shows that the extension is already working correctly. You can now browse websites with a darker appearance that feels more comfortable for your eyes, especially during nighttime use or long browsing sessions. And you can return to extension settings later to customize themes. The good news is that Zen Browser supports Firefox add-ons, so installing Dark Reader is quick and straightforward.